keep the covenant, there shall be a restoration. In the name of Jesus. Everything the devil has taken from you before now, I speak restoration. I speak recovery. I speak restoration. I speak recovery. In the name of Jesus. I declare and I decree the restoration and the recovery of your vision, the restoration and the recovery of your life vision and direction. In the name of Jesus. You have lost a vision,